giving the full information of all of these things. I was seeing that the president, just like the more you look, the less you see. That is the situation we are now. As you are looking at this thing, the less you see of it. When he says sustainable energy, CNG buses, and all that,
still haven't seen them.
Oh, you're saying part of the budget, students' loan was part of the budget, right? That means part of the 2024 budget was they were supposed to take money from there to give to students as some kind of thing. Because why would you give students loans while education is supposed to be free? I don't know. I think even the listeners can even make their comments. Yes, even as a young person, I'm on the internet. If people have gotten the loans, you must have been
not looking at
you ask me for solutions.
Yes,
I'm giving you one solution to the loan. Two.
So my question is, can't Nigeria
I'm weaving the words. Like
okay.
You ask me, I'm trying to answer you. I'm trying to weave the words to give you a web of answers, like to give